Auntie Tab said that we can make fish out of hearts of palm. That's what we're doing today. I am not in the mood for fried fish today, so we are going to be grilling it. I'm going to see what it tastes like. I'm excited because I'm always trying to find something that is a substitute for meat and fish substitutes usually are disgusting to me. They just are dry. So hopefully we're gonna work this thing out. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the can. Just look like mozzarella sticks. So we're supposed to use a fork and shred that bad boy up. And she suggested not doing it too much. Look at that. She cute. That's shredded real easy. And then, see, pick it up. Oh, it's in pieces. All right, that can't be picked up all the way. Look, a little bit. That's all right. We're gonna leave that alone. That'll work. That'll do. Now I gotta do the other ones. All right, seasoning. We got blackened fish spice. Oh, 8. That's from Soulard Spice Shop, St. Louis. You already know. All right, and we got lime seasoning, lime chipotle seasoning, also from Soulard. Himalayan pink salt. It may be bougie. It is what it is. All right, and we also got pepper, because I just assume I'm gonna need pepper. I think I put a little bit too much on there. That's gonna be some spicy fish. I'm not even sure what all the spices are in the 8 spices, but you know, that's okay. That's all right. It's our lime chipotle.
No, we don't want to do that, no. We don't want to do that. We just want to get back on my level.
Pepper. Himalayan pink salt. Do not use a lot of this.
Why am I doing that? Why am I on the floor like that? Why am I putting on?
And I'm just gonna pick up some of those extra seasoning because we don't want to waste no seasoning, y'all. Dab it on there. All right, they're starting to look like grilled fish. Look at that. I added a little bit of honey to make it like glazy because I think I'm a chef now. Okay. I'm about to try them out. I added some green onions. I forgot all about those. Look at it. She cute. Let's see how it tastes. It tastes good. Yes. I think that honey helped. For sure. All right. So obviously I'm gonna mix it like this again. I'm gonna let y'all know how the next recipe goes. I may try fried, but to be honest with you, I'm not a big fried food person unless it's French fries. I love French fries, but we'll see. Till the next one. Love you guys.